Yeah, California is a fantastic place to grow olives. It has all of the great characteristics of a truly Mediterranean climate. This is perfect olive weather. So we're in Woodland, California, where we produce the olives that go into Thrive Market's California extra virgin olive oil. My name is Ciriaco Chavez. I'm the Vice President of Agriculture and Industry Affairs here at the farm.
Our California olive oil is absolutely delicious. It's light, it has a peppery flavor, it's great for all kinds of adaptations, particularly that don't require cooking. So a delicious salad that you have that you just want to create your own salad dressing, it adds a nice little extra touch. Hi, I'm Jenna Engelman, and I'm our Senior Director of Thrive Market's own brands. We were really excited about our partner here for our California extra virgin olive oil because one, it's in our home state, two, it's an award-winning quality product, tastes delicious, and three, their practices are aligned with our own Thrive Market values, focusing on sustainability, zero waste.
We actually sequester enough carbon to offset the carbon emissions of a medium-sized city. It's a credit to the olive trees. They're actually the only mainstream cooking oil that sequesters carbon rather than emits carbon. It's a really fantastic sustainable crop. Also, when we take prunings from the tree, we reincorporate those prunings back into the field, as well as that when we harvest the olives, only a portion of it is oil. We actually will take that pumice that's produced and reincorporate it into our fields as a soil amendment. So again, closing the loop within the olives themselves, bringing back those nutrients and incorporating them back into the trees from whence they came. An olive really is never better than when you first pick it off the tree. So during harvest, it's all hands on deck, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are harvesting these olives, delivering to the mill in record speed. So the moment this olive is picked from the, oh shoot, that was really awesome. From the moment this olive is picked from the tree and turned into oil, it's 4 to 6 hours, which is absolutely incredible.
A lot of members and consumers are still learning about olive oils, and extra virgin olive oil is particularly special because it comes from that very first pressing. So it's the most genuine, pure form, it's the highest quality, and delivers the best taste. Another unique point about extra virgin olive oil is that it's pressed without using any chemicals and is just the natural pressing process. We know there are a lot of olive oils out there to choose from, and we try to make it as easy for our members as possible. That's why we're so excited about our California extra virgin olive oil, because it's single origin and it's sustainably grown right here in California.